Create and sell an online course. Are you ready to turn your skills into a passive income stream? In today's video, I'll show you how to create and sell an online course step by step even if you're a complete beginner. Online courses are booming because they let you earn passive income, record once, earn for years. Reach a global audience, teach students from all over the world. Work flexibly, create at your own pace, on your own schedule. No matter your skill, be it cooking, graphic design, coding, or fitness, there's an audience waiting to learn from you. First, identify what you're great at. It could be anything from cooking or baking, digital marketing or coding, yoga or fitness routines, DIY crafts or business management. Choose a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. Next, organize your knowledge into easy-to-follow lessons. Introduction, outline what students will learn. Core lessons, dive deep into step-by-step tutorials. Bonus content, add tips, tricks, or downloadable resources. This structure makes your course engaging and easy to follow. Don't overthink recording. You only need a smartphone with good lighting and a quiet space. Tools like Camtasia for screen recording or Zoom for live sessions. Canva to design slides or course materials. Focus on delivering value and upgrade your equipment as you grow. Now, upload your course to platforms that do the heavy lifting. Skillshare, great for creative and business skills. Earn royalties based on watch time. Udemy, perfect for diverse topics with payment per course purchase. Teachable, lets you create your own branded course website. Pick one based on your niche and revenue goals. Creating your course is just the start. Marketing drives sales. Here's how. Social media, post teasers or tutorials on Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Email marketing, notify your audience about your course launch. Blog posts, write content related to your course for organic traffic. Let's address some FAQs. How much can you earn? Income varies, but some creators make six figures. Do you need expensive equipment? Not at all. Start with a smartphone. Can you sell the same course on multiple platforms? Yes, if the platform terms allow it. Do you need teaching experience? No. As long as you provide value, anyone can teach. Creating and selling an online course is a powerful way to share your knowledge, help others, and earn passive income. Start by identifying your skill, plan your content, and upload it to platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or Teachable. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your course ideas in the comments. Let's turn your skills into a thriving business. For details, visit the website mentions below in description.